Thinking about switching to solar power, but not sure which inverter to trust? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best hybrid solar inverters. Powerful, smart, and designed to save you money. Whether you want maximum backup, high efficiency, or advanced monitoring, we've got you covered. Stay till the end and find out which one is perfect for you. Let's go. Item number 5. The Sumry Eco LV 3.6 kW hybrid solar inverter is a powerful, all-in-one system designed for smart, reliable performance. It features a pure sine wave output, dual AC outputs, and a built-in 120 MPPT solar charge controller supporting up to 4,200 watts. With lithium and LiFePO4 battery compatibility, Wi-Fi and GPRS monitoring, and high PV input range from 60 to 500 volts, it delivers stable, efficient energy for homes and businesses. Compact, durable, and CE certified, the perfect hybrid inverter for you. Item number 4. The Growatt SPF 6000 ES Plus is a powerful 6 kW off-grid hybrid inverter designed for reliable, efficient energy management. Featuring a pure sine wave output, 48 volts battery compatibility, and Wi-Fi smart monitoring, it ensures stable power for homes and businesses. With a maximum PV input of 8,000 watts, dual MPPT trackers, and surge capacity up to 12 kVA, it supports both lithium and lead-acid batteries. Its fast transfer time, 93% peak efficiency, and parallel capability up to 6 units make it a versatile solution for off-grid solar systems. Item number 3. The Sumry HGX 4kW hybrid solar inverter is a versatile off-grid system designed for reliable, efficient power. It features a pure sine wave output, 24 volts battery compatibility, and a built-in 148 MPPT solar charger supporting up to 5,600 watt PV input. With smart battery management, configurable AC battery priority, Wi-Fi monitoring, and RS-232 RS-485 communication, it delivers uninterrupted energy for homes and businesses. Compact, durable, and protected against overload, over-temperature, and short circuits. Its advanced LCD display and touch controls make it easy to monitor and optimize performance. Item number 2. The EASUN PowerG 11 kW hybrid solar inverter is a high-performance system designed for reliable, efficient energy. Supporting 48 volts lithium batteries with smart BMS activation and RS-485 communication, it delivers pure sine wave output at 220 to 230 AC. With MPPT solar charging up to 5,500 watts per array, 160 amp max solar current, and 22,000 volt AC surge power, it ensures stable and uninterrupted power. Featuring fast transfer time, 94% peak efficiency, LCD display, and overload protection, this inverter combines solar charger, AC charger, and inverter functions in one robust, smart, and compact package. Item number 1. The SRNE 84850U100-H hybrid solar inverter is a versatile all-in-one system, combining solar charging, energy storage, and pure sine wave AC output. Compatible with 48 volts lead-acid or lithium batteries, it supports MPPT solar charging up to 100 Ah and multiple charging modes including solar-only, mains priority, and hybrid. With Wi-Fi monitoring, parallel capability up to 6 units, LCD touch display, and advanced protections, it delivers reliable, uninterrupted power. Efficient, compact, and intelligent, this inverter is ideal for homes, businesses, and sensitive AC loads. Which of these hybrid solar inverters is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.